Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade tacos with ground beef. Start by browning your ground beef in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Break it apart as it cooks until it's no longer pink. Once cooked, drain any excess fat to keep your tacos from being greasy. Then, stir in your favorite taco seasoning and a bit of water, letting it simmer until the liquid reduces. Next, warm your taco shells or tortillas according to package directions. This makes them pliable and delicious, ready for filling. Spoon the seasoned ground beef into each warm shell. Now comes the fun part. Pile on your favorite toppings like crisp shredded lettuce, juicy diced tomatoes, and a generous sprinkle of cheese. To truly customize your tacos, set out a spread of fresh toppings. Think crisp shredded lettuce, juicy diced tomatoes, and a generous sprinkle of shredded cheddar cheese. Don't forget a dollop of sour cream and a spoonful of your favorite salsa. For an extra kick, add some sliced jalapenos or creamy avocado. Your homemade ground beef tacos are now ready to enjoy. Serve them immediately while they're warm and fresh. They make a fantastic meal on their own, or you can pair them with classic sides like Mexican rice and refried beans. Gather your family and friends and savor every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.